Conversation. Lara and Celine talk about their daily routine. Hi, Celine. What time do you usually wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. What about you? I wake up at 6 because I go to school early. Oh, really? Do you eat breakfast before school? Yes, I do. I usually eat eggs and drink milk. That's nice. I sometimes skip breakfast when I'm late. I never skip breakfast. It gives me energy for the day. What do you do after school? I do my homework and then watch a little TV. Same here. I also play with my little sister in the evening. Sounds fun. So, Celine, do you study English every day? Yes, I do. I love English. It helps me talk with people from other countries. Me too. Let's keep practicing together. Sure. Practice makes perfect.